So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my favorite chemical peel which I have been using since 5 years because it's give me a even tone skin and pimple free skin and a glowing skin. So today I will show you how it's look like and how it's give the result. So guys, I'm going to unboxing my peel so that you can see that how it's look like. It is actually from the Ordinary because Ordinary is a international brand, so you can trust it. So guys, this is the packing of the Ordinary peel and how it's look like inside. I will show you. It is in red color and it is AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution, and how it's look like I will show you on my hand so you can see that. So you can apply twice a week for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's give you a best result. Bye bye.